بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
A bull in a china shop.
If somebody is like a bull in a china shop, they are very careless in the way that they move or behave.
I told her it was a delicate situation, but she went into the meeting like a bull in a china shop.
Extremely awkward, clumsy person.
My friend is a bull in a china shop. He always listens cheaters.
Somebody rushes into a situation like a bull in a china shop. You are critical of them because they do not stop to think, and are insensitive to other people's feelings.
Still, it'll stop her rampaging all over the place like a bull in a china shop.
Doing something with too much enthusiasm or too quickly and carelessly in a way that may damage things or upset somebody.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.